Since 2007, VPEKS Machinery Co. Limited focuses on debugging, packing and palletizing machines. We own standard workshops and a professional team. From processing to assembly, we strictly control every process, with reliable quality, efficient production. Products sold to over 40 countries, serving over 500 customers.
Choose VPEKS, choose your reliable partner for packing, palletizing, and debugging solutions.
We have fully automatic packing and palletizing lines, semi-automatic, and fully automatic packaging machines to meet diverse automation requirements. Column palletizer, small footprint, accurate and stable palletizing. Intelligent pallet magazine, automatic pallet handling. Valve bag packing machine, features high accuracy and fast speed. Robotic palletizer with world-class robots, precise and efficient palletizing. Fully automatic debugging machine, innovative design, auto bag gripping, unpacking and discharging, ensuring stable feeding and production. Ton bag filling machine, specially designed for tonnage materials. Products are strictly tested and delivered on time.